Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Thursday, May the 9th, 2019, and the time is 4 a.m. GMT. Today we will be updating the chart from the Nikkei. This is a 30 minutes chart. We can see right here the Nikkei starts to decline in an impulsive structure. We have a three swing so far, in which we got an extended third swing towards 1.618 extension. That is usually a sign of an impulse when you got a third swing extending to 1.618. In Elliott Wave principle, usually wave 3 is going to be in the strongest and the longest, and then extension wise, as a guide, it will be around 161.8 Fibonacci extension, which we see it right here. Now what that means then is that as far as the pound stays below this wave 2, it still can see another leg on the downside. Okay, so and this one is not a buy. It's not really a buy by any means, guys. Don't try to buy it just because we are showing another leg higher here. This still can extend lower. This can still make marginal low, for example, and it still can be within the wave 3. All right. Otherwise, if this is already ending with 3, then we can get with 4 correction or with 4 pounds to fail below this one and extend lower one more time in the wave 5. Now, as an alternate, if you look at the momentum right now, which is basically you can use any kind of momentum indicator. Okay, if you take a look at RSI. Now you can notice here that there is a divergence here already. So even though price makes a new low, but the momentum does not make a new low. So what that can indicate is that as an alternate, instead of doing a 5 waves down, this could be ending the whole 5 waves already as an alternate, right? I mean, you can always play around with the count a little bit, right? You can always play around with the count, and you move the 3 and 4 here, and then you adjust 3 and 4 somewhere here, and then call it 5, right? So as an alternate, we will be ending the whole 5 waves, and then after that, if that is the case, then we can get a bigger bounce, right? If this is already ending of 5 waves, then we should be doing a bounce or a rally to correct the entire 5 waves. Instead of just doing a wave fall, we should be doing a bigger ABC to correct this 5 waves down before the next leg lower. Okay, but since we do have an extension, and typically again 1.618 typically is the end of wave 3, we do think there is still a possibility of one more push on the downside in the wave 5, okay, before we finally end the 5 waves down and then starts to do a bigger bounce. All right, so looking at the bigger picture, this is the 4-hour chart, right? We can see we have already had a 5 months of rally since bottoming in the end of December last year. Nikkei and all the other world indices continue to rally, but then you can see right here it starts to break below this trend line channel here, and then also not only breaking below it, but also the move lower appears to be impulsive, right? The move lower appears to be impulsive, and so that means that that means there is a possibility that this cycle ended. And if that's the case, then the Nikkei should be at least doing a bigger 3S pullback to correct this entire decline. Now so far, as you can see, we only have 1, 2, 3. So if this is, let's say, if this is an ABC correction, then you should be getting some sort of something like this. That will end your wave A, and then you have a wave B, and then you have a wave C, right? So you will be looking for a bigger pullback at least to correct all this rally that happened since the end of last year. Okay, so this week is going to be very interesting, guys, because there will be a conclusion on the trade war negotiation between China and the US. They've been talking about it in the past 3 months, right? But then recent developments suggest that the talk breaks down, right? And now potentially the US is gonna increase the tariff to Chinese goods, and that could potentially derail all this moved on the upside in the market, and then we could see further sell off in a way, if of course if they couldn't reach an agreement. If they can reach an agreement, then maybe expect choppiness definitely this week, and I think we will probably get some sort of uh, news over the weekend, right? Over the weekend, they will conclude the talk, and then on Monday we're gonna see reaction in the market. So be careful out there, okay? But the market seems to be pricing in the worst right now, as indicated by the reversal in the indices and also the yen pairs across the board right now. Okay, guys. So if you want to see further updates or want to see analysis like this, guys, we always do this every day in the live trading room live session. You can always try our service. We have 14 days free trial, and the link is in the description of the video. Otherwise, I'll see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.